Hello everybody, this is Baljeet from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to install transition top of laminate floor. If you install the laminate floor and you move from one room to other room without joining both pieces together, then probably you have a gap like I have in this video. Then that's really important. You install transition top of that one to make it smooth. It could be any situation. You have one side laminate floor and other side you have a carpet, or you have both side laminate, or you have one side laminate and other side is ceramic tile. Then this gap can be filled with the transition and can make your floor like a flat. There's two common type of transitions. It's also called T-mold. One is used to if you have a both side like same height, and one is used for like if one side you have a laminate floor and other side you have a carpet, like say one side is higher than other side. These both pieces are coming in 72-inch length. Now we will be look a little bit closer and see how they look. So if you look at this first type of, it comes with a T-bar. Inside you have a little groove, and when you force this transition, it will lock inside. And on the transition is like a bird piece, have both side flat, and the middle side is a little riser, which will goes on top of this T-bar, and it will be locked. The T-bar we are going to install on the floor. So this one used for like if you have a flat surface both side, like room to room, you have a both side laminate floor, or one side laminate and other side ceramic. And second time is one side you have a higher and other side is lower. Like this transition comes like that. You have one side is like thin side, and other side have a riser browning. And otherwise the rest of part is same. It comes with the middle piece and it comes with the T-bar. It goes at the same way. It will be locked out. As you can see, when you put this T-bar on the floor and you force this transition top of that one, it will be locked on top of that T-bar. Now let's talk how to install. First we are going to install a T-bar in the middle, and then our transition will cap both sides. And over here we are going to install this one, like we are going to install T-bar, and one side will be go on the laminate and the other side will be go on a lower side, like on top of the carpet. So now I'm going to start with this one first. Step one, we are going to measure whole length, how long piece we need to, we are going to cut. And metal T-bar you can cut a little bit shorter than what area we have. Then make sure you have enough room in the middle, so your T-bar not gonna be like a bend. It need to be set flat and straight inside. Once you put inside, then use 3 screw every 10-inch, 1 screw to hold this T-bar. I install the first screw, second and third. In my case, I have a plywood underneath, so I'm just using only screws. But in case if you have a concrete floor, then that's really important. You drill hole and use anchors to hold those screws. So once you install T-rack, then pretty simple. Just put that transition piece on top and just use a plastic hammer or your hand to just lock those pieces, and you will see this piece is really flat and set both sides. I'm going to install same kind of piece on second room. Same thing, if you don't have enough room, then probably you have to cut your laminate. But make sure the T metal piece set flat, and you install 1 screw every 10-inch. Now our metal T-bar is installed. We are going to force our transition on top of that one. Same way we done. We can use our hands. We can use plastic hammer. Anything is available. There is a really big difference when I have not installed transition, and after installing transition, it's really smooth. When you walk, you even don't feel it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.